Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to manage optional features in Windows 10. So this will encompass adding as well as removing optional features. So pretty straightforward process here, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in apps and features. Best matches should come back with apps and features right above system settings. You want to go ahead and left click on that. On the right side underneath apps and features, you want to left click on manage optional features. So at this point, it's very simple. You just would left click on add a feature. If you want to add a feature here, and there should be a whole list of optional features that should come up. And you can go ahead and search through them here, so quite a few to pick from. And if you ever wanted to remove one here, you can also see what the optional feature history is. So if you select that, you'll see what might have been downloaded at a certain point or not. So just back out of there. And if you ever wanted to remove an optional feature, you just would left click on it. So you just would go ahead and just left click on the feature and then left click on uninstall. So pretty straightforward process of how to actually uninstall a feature here, and it should be pretty quick to uninstall. Some of them you actually can't uninstall, some of them you can only manage, so just keep that in mind. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.